Hi viewers, today we're looking at the Excel VBA PPMT financial formula in Excel 2013. First of all, I'm going to go to the View tab in Excel 2013 and record a macro in the macro section. Click on record from the drop down. I'm going to name this macro PPMT underscore FX and click on OK to get it recording. I'm going to stop that from recording, and then I'm going to go to View Macros in the macro section of the View tab. I'm going to delete the PMT function because I've already done that, and then go back in again and edit my PPMT macro I recorded. I'm going to delete this stuff and pasting my already made code. I'm going to comment out the theory, just leave the actual code called PPMT function. You've got range G2.formula R1C1, which is basically saying in cell G2 insert the following formula after the equal sign, which is PPMT is the function. The first value in the array of values is the rate. The second value in the array is the PER. The third value in the array is the NPER. The fourth value in the array is the present value, or which is in cell D2. In cell E2 we have the future value, and in cell F2 we have the due. So if I close this, I go to File and Close, and then in my cell G2 where I'm putting it what my results to be, I'm going to run the macro for PPMT, and you can see the result is minus 836.55. To view the code again, I click on the macros button in the View tab and select my macro name on the left there, which is PPMT function, and click on Edit. And that's the Excel VBA PPMT function in Excel 2013.